Hello, in this video we will do this trigonometric problem. Cos pi by 15 multiplied by cos 2 pi by 15 multiplied by cos 3 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 5 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15 cos 7 pi by 15 is equal to 1 over x power 7. Find the integer value of x. Find the integer value of x. Okay, we will use this identities, that is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Also sin pi minus a is equal to sin a. Also cos pi minus a is equal to minus cos a. Okay, now we proceed. Sin 2 pi by 15 is equal to 2 sin pi by 15 cos pi by 15. Okay, then sin 4 pi by 15 is equal to 2 sin 2 pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15. Also sin 8 pi by 15 is equal to 2 sin 4 pi. Okay, 4 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15. Sin 16 pi by 15 is equal to 2 sin 8 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15. We have got the 4 equations here. Now multiply these 4 equations. Okay, yes, that is sin 2 pi by 15 sin 4 pi by 15 sin 8 pi by 15 sin 16 pi by 15 is equal to, now right side you can see there is 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, all to be multiplied. Therefore 2 power 4 into sin pi by 15 sin 2 pi by 15. First I will write all the sine terms together. Sin 4 pi by 15 sin 8 pi by 15, then all cos terms together, cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15, right? Therefore now you can see in this there is sin 2 pi by 15 on the left side, also sin 2 pi by 15 on the right side, then sin 4 pi by 15 sin 4 pi by 15. So you can cancel out the terms, that is sin 2 pi by 15 sin 2 pi by 15 sin 4 pi by 15 sin 4 pi by 15 sine 8 pi by 15, sine 8 pi by 15. Right? Continuing, we have sine 16 pi by 15 is equal to 2 power 4 sine pi by 15 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15. Okay, now the sine 16 pi by 15 can be written as sine 16 pi by 15 is equal to sine pi minus 16 pi by 15, which is equal to sine minus pi by 15, which is minus sine pi by 15. Okay, therefore here we can write for the sine 16 pi by 15, you can write minus sine pi by 15. Pi by 15 is equal to 2 power 4 sine pi by 15 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15. So we are only talking about the product. Okay, when I read like that, it means the product of such terms. Okay, so there's minus symbol here, and also there is the sine pi by 15, sine pi by 15. We can cancel, right? So sine pi by 15, sine pi by 15. Therefore, minus 1 is equal to 2 power 4 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15. Now you can see here certain terms are missing on the right side. Certain factors are missing on the right side. Pi by 15 is here, 2 pi by 15 is here, but 3 pi by 15 not there. 7 pi by 15 is not there, 6 pi by 15 is not there. So we will see how to proceed after this. Okay. See this one, you can write as minus cos pi minus 8 pi by 15. Okay, because we know that cos pi minus a is minus cos a. Therefore, this is minus cos 7 pi by 15. Therefore, this is minus 1 is equal to 2 power 4 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 for this cos 8 pi by 15 only we said you can write as minus cos 7 pi by 15. So there becomes a minus symbol here. Here cos 7 pi by 15. So minus 1 here minus, so we can write this as 1 is equal to 2 power 4 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 7 pi by 15. Okay. Also, we know that cos 5 pi by 15 is equal to, you can cancel this 5 with this 15, you will have 3. So this is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 we know that is half. Therefore, what we can do here, you can multiply cos 5 pi by 13, cos 5 pi by 15. That means you are multiplying by half. So divide by half. So divide by half means multiply by 2. Therefore, you have to multiply this by 2. So what you get now? 1 is equal to 2 power 5 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 5 pi by 15 also cos 7 pi by 15. So cos pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 5 pi by 15, cos 7 pi by 15 is there. So few more terms on the right side missing. So what we can now do, consider now sine 6 pi by 15. 6 pi, this is 6 pi by 15. You call this as equation 1, okay? This is equation 1. Right. Sine 6 pi by 15, 2 sine 3 pi by 15 cos 3 pi by 15. Also, sine 12 pi by 15, okay, 2 sine 6 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15. As we have done earlier, multiply these two equations. Multiplying LHS, we have sine 6 pi by 15 into sine 12 pi by 15 is equal to 2 square. There is 1 2 here and 2 here. Sine 3 pi by 15 sine 6 pi by 15 cos 3 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15. Now you can look for cancellations. Sine 6 pi by 15 on the left, sine 6 pi by 15 on the right. Is it okay? Yes. Also, sine pi minus 12 pi by 15, which is same as sine 3 pi by 15. So, sine 12 pi by 15, you can cancel with sine 3 pi by 15. So, what do you have now? From this, 1 is equal to 2 square cos 3 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15. Call this equation 2. Okay. Now multiplying 1 with 2, equation 2, you have 1 is here, okay, 2 is here. So 1 is equal to 2 power 7 cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos 3 pi by 15 is here, cos 3 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 5 pi by 15, okay, 5 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15 is here, cos 6 pi by 15, of course cos 7 pi by 15, cos 7 pi by 15. Is it clear? So we can write this as 1 by 2 power 7 is equal to cos pi by 15 cos 2 pi by 15 cos, so we are considering the product here, okay, cos 3 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 5 pi by 15 cos 6 pi by 15 cos 7 pi by 15. But it is given in the question that this is equal to 1 by x to the power of 7. So 1 by 2 power 7 here, given that is equal to 1 by x power 7. Obviously, we have x is equal to 2, which is the integer value of x. Okay, thank you.